Hey guys, this weather lately has been calling for like undone big hair. So today I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use my Hot Tools waver. I've had this for a couple of years and I absolutely love the way it makes my hair look. You just have like a big mane. So I prepped my hair with a few products. I used the Dream Coat Vicious Thickening Spray, Acidic Bond Builder leave-in. Okay. All right, so you can either use a clip or not. I'm gonna use a big scrunchie and I'm just gonna make this super easy. So I'm gonna put my hair into sections. Let's get this out of the way. So I personally like to use the waver upside down. I like the way the waves look better, but you can kind of play with it and see what works best for you. I already went through and hair sprayed and thickening sprayed. So like this, it's the way you know it was made to be used. But we gotta break rules, so we're gonna use it upside down. So I'm taking literally 2 huge sections. I always like to smooth out the hair on any hot tool I use. Clamp. I'll probably fast forward this because no one wants to watch all this. Clamp, clamp. Uno. Smooth. You have to be careful with this because it's super hot. Oof. It took me a little getting used to at first. I've had it for a couple of years now, so I've gotten used to it. This spray on to the next one. So I'm gonna put that behind us, just like the past. Just kidding. Okay. Another humongous section. Let's get this out of the way. Now, as you can see, this is a huge section, but this is very done. You could definitely go about it in a different way and take your time and have it look very waved. I've done that where you just, take smaller sections and you get more of a defined wave. I'm not looking for that today. I'm looking for easy peasy, lived in waves. That's waved. Spray. Throw it behind you. This is your top section. So top section I do slightly different. So I put this one up. Still clamping upside down. You don't want to burn yourself, so please be careful. So we're clamping this back. My long-haired girls, you can just release the hair, kind of wiggle. Put it back. Because this part you want some volume. And this part here, like above your ear, like this section, you put in 2. You want to do this away from your face. So again, makes you want to feel like you're going to hold it like this. We're going to hold it the other way. Oh. This one, I'm feeling to do down instead of away from my face. I like my front pieces down, but if you like your hair away from your face, you can certainly do it away. Big and crazy. Don't hate on it. I promise it all comes together. So that part is done. Look, we're going on 6 minutes and we're almost done. It's the Beyonce hair. Beyonce. This I'm putting into 2 sections. Smooth. Oh. Spray. Throw it in the back. Back of the back. Okay. We're almost done now. So your last section. Again, we're gonna split that in half, kind of top of the ear. This section, you want some volume. So we put this up. Kind of have to look in the mirror to do this. So I don't burn myself. Uno, dos. This and 2. Going away from your face. And then that last front section, I'm going to angle down. Can you turn this off? No. Oh, something funky happened there. Straighten that one out. Okay. Spray. Looking a little crazy. So I'm obsessed with this oil. Air Professionals. Just found this. I'm gonna oil my ends and I'll put my head upside down. Rake it out. Going through your part, you kind of rake it. Smooth through the ends with the oil. Scrunch a bit. Come back up. I just got a big mane. This look is not for everybody, but it's for me and my thick-haired girls. You'll love it. It's a vibe. Here's the front. Let's check out the back. Oh, let's see. See that? All right, so try out this method. It's super easy. Let me know how you do. Post a photo. And yeah, big hair days. Peace out. Mwah.